Hi everyone, in this video we will walk through the CVR MLS compliance rules for open houses and showings. Whether you are new to real estate or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you avoid potential mistakes. Let's start with open houses. There can be confusion about whether some types of open houses are considered showings. The answer is yes. Open houses are a public form of showing. Before you conduct an open house, the listing must be in active status in the MLS. Listings in coming soon status, under delayed showing instructions, or office exclusives may not be shown. That includes public open houses, private previews for agents, broker-only tours, and any marketing event involving access to the property. Now let's move on to showings. Just like with open houses, only active listings can be shown. This again applies to all showing formats, private showings, previews, broker tours, and buyer walkthroughs. If a seller decides to allow a showing under a coming soon status, you must move the listing to active prior to that showing. Similarly, if the seller decides to permit a showing with delayed showing instructions, the agent must remove all of the delayed showing and restriction information from the showing before the showing occurs. Buyer agents, we have a few tips for you as well. Always follow the showing instructions listed in the MLS, whether it's showing time, a confirmed appointment, or agent accompaniment. Never access a property without confirming permission if the listing requires it. Unauthorized showings, even if accidental, may result in lockbox violations. Remember that showing appointments are not transferable unless you notify the listing agent. If a teammate or firm colleague is going to a showing in your place, make sure you notify the listing agent so that they are aware. If the listing has a sentry lock, be sure to open the box, retrieve the key, and then close the box so that the beginning of showing notification is sent to the listing agent in a timely manner. The listing agent will then receive an end of showing notification when you open the box. To put the key back in, be sure to close the lockbox after returning the key. If you are ever unsure and have questions, check with your broker or reach out to the compliance team for guidance. You can reach us by emailing compliance@cvrmls.com or calling at 804-422-5004.